Facebook has signed off on contracts with Walton EMC to develop over 200 megawatts of solar PV projects in Georgia. The projects will consist of 3 installation sites in southwest Georgia, 2 constructed by Strata Solar, the 3rd by Silicon Ranch. The installations are part of Facebook's plan to supply 100% renewable energy to the company's data center in Newton County, Georgia. Rachel Peterson, Vice President of Data Center Strategy for Facebook, said in a statement, "We're committed to supporting all of Facebook's operations with 100% renewable energy, and these new solar facilities will help us meet that goal for our Newton data center. Developing these resources within the same electric grid that supports our data center will bring even more investment to the region." In addition to providing energy for the data center, the projects will reportedly create over 800 jobs, with completion slated for 2019 and 2020.